A cat's life is a beautiful journey, but it goes by so fast. At just 3 months old, they are like playful little kids, full of energy and always getting into something. By 6 months, they are growing quickly and starting to enjoy affection. When they turn 1, they become teenagers, sometimes rebellious but still loving. At 2 years old, they settle into their personality, playful but independent. By 5, they are in their mature years, more relaxed and wise. At 8, their body starts to slow down, and dental issues may appear, but they still have so much love to give.